So the perfect eye technique has become very popular across the world. A refresher video on what exactly is the perfect eye technique that we use at MedLinks, our signature technique. See, perfect eye is basically an acronym or a short form for permanent and real-time follicular extraction and implantation. Basically, it's a modified improvised version of the FUE method. The difference is that in a normal FUE method, there is a lot of storage of grafts. The first step is graft extraction, then the slits are made and then the grafts are implanted either manually or using some implanting pens. But this leads to a lot of storage of grafts, and for every hour that a graft, a hair spends out of your body, there is a 2% loss. So imagine a situation where you are planning a 3000 graft procedure. The extraction time at a good pace will be roughly 3.5 to 4 hours, and then implantation for another 3 to 4 hours. So the grafts are spending 4 to 8 hours out of your body. That means 8 to 16% loss, and beyond 6 hours grafts die just like any other human organ. So it makes a lot of sense to not store the grafts at all, and that is why 8 years back we came up with the perfect eye technique, in which we extract and implant at the same time in the same position. So two teams are working on you. One team is extracting from the donor area and the other team is implanting on the recipient area, so that the graft does not spend any time out of your body, maximum 5 to 6 minutes. This results in faster surgery, more comfort for you, faster results because of lesser shedding, and most importantly, much better results. And when you compare a well done 3000 graft FUE procedure to a well done 3000 graft perfect eye procedure, you will get an 8 to 10% better results easily, because this is not just a fantasy number. This is proven by research that storage kills hair. No matter what is the medium, hypothermosol, ATP, PRP, ringer lactate, no matter what's the storage medium, grafts die. So doing the perfect eye technique makes a lot of sense, and that is why patients of MedLinks get a much better and more consistent results when you compare with other clinics. So that is perfect eye technique, my friends, in a nutshell. Thank you very much.